Hey guys, we got another doozy today. Look at them roots. Holy cats. Well, it has been a minute since my gal has come in to get her hair done. I didn't even do it the first time. This isn't the first time doing it. So, of course, we started out with our hair resurrection and we are doing a Malibu CPR, and that is all the buildup on her hair that is coming off. Followed it up with an Olaplex standalone treatment to withstand what was going to be going on the next day. This is a two-part series. You can see a little bit of banding going on there. And so we apply the lightener 1/4 of an inch from the scalp. And here I am using blonde solutions mixed with Olaplex. This is going to be a very repetitive video because it's just applying lightener to the scalp. But I am keeping it as far back as I can. And I cut my little tiny foils just because there's not as much heat incubation at this area as zone on the hair. So we need that to process first before we apply to the root area. And here I am putting Olaplex number 2 because that band is freaking me out and I don't want any breakage. If you want to walk the hair back like this, it's way easier to get the foils to lay down if you walk it back. So going ahead and still next section, applying very carefully, applying my Olaplex number 2, placing another foil, sliding it down. I found my Framar with the straight rat tail pick comb on the end was the best brush for the job. So I'm going to let that process, and then I'm going to go in and do her root area. And we're just applying it, and that was when it was pretty much almost done. So just went ahead and applied to the scalp zone 1 area, still placing and moving those foils, keeping the incubation going. The heat from the foils is kind of keeping it all in and letting things process. Just moving them around, applying to the base. So we're going to go ahead and do that through the whole head and wait till she processes to a level 9-10. She is a natural level 2. So there were some warm areas. We still have some more work to do afterwards. As you can see, we did still get a really great lift. And here I am toning with Pulp Riot pink and rose gold. She wanted a nice blushy pink, but yet light color, which I normally don't do, but she knows that it won't stay the longest. And just wait, because here it comes. Holy cats. Do you guys remember the before? Maybe I should put it in here because wow, what a difference. Look how beautiful her hair looks. Amazing. I'm patting myself on the back here because it came out so stinking pretty. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, and if you liked that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.